Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The session chair, everybody here present, ladies and gentlemen. I am Dr. Salus Isiaku, and the topic of our paper is exploring the factors influencing the adoption of business intelligence system in small and medium enterprise in the Nigerian healthcare sector through systematic literature review. This paper was written by me, Dr. Salisu, Dr. Mazlan Muhammad Sapri, and Professor Madea Dr. Faisal Muhammad Umar. By way of introduction, an effective organizational decision-making has been a catalyst of organization survival, but effective decision-making can only be made when the appropriate tool is used. Yet, small and medium enterprises in healthcare are far lag behind in adopting the right tools for their routine decisions, more specifically, business intelligence system. Consequently, research on the adoption of business analytic tools in this sector is relatively scarce. Because of its significance, broad stream of BIS research has been published to date on literature review and bibliometric study on BI analytics. For instance, a bibliometric analysis conducted by Lin and Lau 2018 recognized current BIS and big data analytic topic from 1999 to 2017. And a two-decade systematic literature review 2000 to 2019 by Ul Eisen 2019, 2019 comprehensively explore the implementation, usage, and the effectiveness of BIS. However, to date, there is no systematic analysis available on the adoption of most relevant determinant theory and model of BIS at the level of individual or organization in healthcare SMEs. Therefore, this systematic literature review attempts to fill this gap through the lens of technological, organizational, environmental, and CEO perspective. Therefore, the goal of this paper is to explore the BIS and the factors influencing its adoption in developing countries, particularly in Nigeria. This review offers a detailed summary of BIS studies from 2011 to 2020, presenting the recent evolution of the BIS relevant theories, framework, models, and the critical details. In the methodological aspect, there are 4 steps followed. 1. Conducting a systematic literature review. Number 2. Expert evaluation. Number 3. Results and factor extraction. And number 4. Conceptual framework construction. This will be explained below. In collecting the data for the systematic literature review, the study used 7 databases as data source. These are Emerald, Sage, Elsevier, IEE, Taylor & Frankis, InDesigns, and SpringerLink. In total, 490 articles were retrieved from these databases. Then, we follow the laid-down procedure of screening the article. 1. We screen based on relevance to the topic. 425 were included, while 65 were excluded. We screen based on the title. 234 were included, while 199 were excluded. We also screen based on the abstract. 121 were included, while 113 were excluded. We then finally screen based on the full text, where 63 were included, while 58 were excluded. Therefore, 63 were confirmed to satisfy our inclusion in this systematic literature review, therefore used. After going through these 63 articles, we were able to extract 20 factors that are relevant in the adoption. We then sent them to 15 experts for evaluation through Google Form. We asked the expert to rate these factors on four-point Likert scale: 1 not relevant to 4 extremely relevant. After collecting this data, we use one sample t-test for analysis. Based on the one sample t-test result, we were able to get 16 factors with mean higher than 4, while 4 factors were below 4. Out of the 16 factors with higher mean, 3 were dropped based on expert suggestion that they are similar. Therefore, 13 were considered. Further, 3 factors were also suggested by expert to be included. Therefore, 16 factors were certified as the true factors affecting the BI adoption, and therefore used for framework construction. These 16 successful candidates as factors were framed based on TOE and IS adoption for SMEs frameworks. As seen on the framework, 5 factors were considered as technology context, 5 factors as organization context, 3 factors as environment factors context, and 3 as CEO context, as shown in this framework. Actually, this framework is the framework of my PhD, and it's going to be tested using PLSM and MCDM technique, that is AHP in specific. This paper has some implications, such as the theoretical framework for the development of BIS is intended to provide an accurate description of potential determinants and a clear prediction of the successful adoption of BI in the organization. This analysis will make a considerable contribution to the decision-making process prior to the incorporation of the BIS into business. Further, this study has some limitations that future researchers need to take into account. Systematic literature review is only one side of the coin. Hence, there is a need to plead for the other side of the coin by, number 1, conducting meta-analysis to broaden awareness in this area. Number 2, to test this framework using different statistical techniques such as SEM, structural equation modeling, and MCDM. This will provide a clear picture of the significant factors that influence the adoption. Therefore, in my PhD, this suggestion, the last suggestion, was taken. We're going to use it, PLSM and in conjunction with MCDM to test the framework developed. Conclusively, therefore, ladies and gentlemen, this study identified the factors influencing the adoption of business intelligence systems in healthcare SMEs in Nigeria through systematic literature review. 20 factors were identified and sent to 15 experts, doctors, PhD holders, and professors in IT, healthcare, and SME sectors for evaluation. In the evaluation process, 13 factors were rated high, the mean above 4, while 4 were rated low, the mean below 4. 3 factors were removed by experts because of their similarity. These are organizational readiness, facilitating condition, IT infrastructure. All of them resemble, they are all the same. So in this case, we take organizational resource availability instead. And the 3 factors were added by experts. These are observability, trialability, and the CEO attitude toward IT for their relevance in the adoption process. 16 factors were successfully certified as important factors influencing the adoption of business intelligence system in healthcare SMEs. These factors were categorized under 4 characteristics of IT adoption: technology, organization, environment, and CEO characteristics based on TO framework and IS a framework for small business. This study is a segment of my PhD anyway. The other segment are testing this framework using AHP and using statistical techniques, in particular PLSM and MCDM, or specifically AHP. SMEs. To this I want to say وفوق كل ذي علم عليم, that is, over every process of knowledge there is one more knowledgeable. Alhamdulillah. Thank you for your audience.